Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is today our new lesson, which is about root letters in Arabic, which is jidr, jidr, which means root. So, as a definition, the Arabic root or jidr refers to a 3 or 4 consonant base word which represents a core meaning or concept. Most roots in Arabic are made up of 3 consonants. A large number of words can be derived from each root. So here first, for example, we have k, ta, ba. So it's kataba. So together it gives us the word kataba, which means he wrote. For the feminine, it's katabat, but we're gonna see that later. So this is the first word. The second word we have kitab. Kitab, which means book. Then we have katib, which means writer. Then we have maktab, which is desk or office. This is the office. Then we have maktaba, which is the library. Library. Then we have maktub, which means written, for example, a letter, a written letter. So this is pretty basic. So from these 3 words, um, you can generate a lot of words, which is very beneficial. So as another example, we have darasa, and together it's darasa, which means he studied. For the feminine, it's daraset. Then we have dars, which means a lesson. Then we have mudarris, which is a teacher. Then we have madrasa, which is school. Okay, so with time, you will memorize a lot of words. But this is the pretty basics. So just remember how root words works. And I've made some sentences to practice reading, and so you can be able to practice some Arabic sentences. So also try writing them on your own. So for example, the first one we have كتب الولد بالقلم. كتب, which means wrote. الولد, but here it's read الولد, so to make a connection. ولد is boy. B with القلم, the pen, which is here read as well القلم. كتب الولد بالقلم. Okay, next sentence we have الكتاب على الطاولة. الكتاب, which is book. على is on. الطاولة, the table. In Moroccan we say tabla, which is table. So it really depends on the dialects, but here we are learning Arabic Fusha. So let's just remember the basic Arabic words. Also, I wrote here the 3, if you remember, because in Arabic dialect, Moroccan, we write 3 as a, so it's gonna become ala together. Okay, next one we have الكاتب مشهور جدا. الكاتب the writer مشهور famous جدا is very. Okay, next one we have أبي في المكتب. أبي, which is my father. في is in. المكتب, the office. So let's just draw him in the office working with his little computer. Yeah. Okay. Next one we have أذهب إلى المكتبة. I go to the library. أذهب, I go. إلى, to. المكتبة, the library. So let's do a little library. And I am going to the library. Okay. And last one we have الدرس مكتوب على السبورة. الدرس, the lesson. مكتوب is written. على, on. السبورة, the board. So this is the school's whiteboard, for example. And the lesson is written here. So lesson is الدرس. الدرس. And then the whiteboard itself is السبورة. Okay, so for now just try memorizing these and practice them a lot. The more you say it out loud, your brain is gonna memorize it better. If you just read it, you're gonna forget about it. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you and barakallahu fikum.